Hi, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is HAIRUNISHA binti HAMIR and I'm from class NBI 6A. And together with my team, we are excited to present about MISC Berhad. We bring diverse expertise in maritime service, energy transportation, sustainability and innovation. So let's get started. First, history of MISC Berhad. MISC Berhad was founded in 1968 as a subsidiary of Petronas, initially focusing on crude oil tankers to meet Malaysia's oil transportation needs. In the 1980s, the company expanded into LNG shipping, establishing itself as a major player in energy transport. The 1990s saw MISC diversify into offshore service, marine service, and logistics, and the company went public in 1992. By the early 2000s, MISC had built a global presence with a modern fleet, including LNG carriers, oil tankers, and FPSOs. In the 2010s, the company embraced sustainability, integrating green technologies and improving fuel efficiency. Entering the 2020, MISC focused on renewable energy, especially floating LNG solutions, and continued its commitment to environmentally responsible maritime service. Our vision and our goal is to consistently improve in delivering exceptional maritime solutions and service. Always exceeding customer expectations, we are committed to promoting individual and team excellence, driving sustainable value for our shareholders, and ensuring that we care for the environment in all that we do. Next, mission. Our mission is to provide energy-related maritime solutions with a strong emphasis on safety, integrity, and operational excellence. The company is dedicated to adopting global best practice and continuously pushing the boundaries in our core sectors. Alright, moving on with organizational culture and values. MISC Berhad's organizational culture is built on core values of loyalty, integrity, professionalism, and cohesiveness, which guide its operations. The company promotes a collaborative and inclusive work environment, encouraging employees to take initiative and innovate to meet evolving market challenges. Loyalty to the company and its mission fosters dedication to excellence, while integrity ensures ethical practice at all levels. MISC values professionalism, empowering employees to continuously enhance their skills and lead by example. A culture of cohesiveness supports teamwork, enabling the company to leverage collective expertise, drive innovation, and adapt to the dynamic energy and maritime sectors, ensuring its continued success and leadership in the industry. Next, MISC goals and objectives. MISC Berhad is committed to achieving its 2030 target of reducing greenhouse gas emissions intensity by 50% with a strong emphasis on advancing clean energy solutions and adapting sustainable practice across its operations. The company aims to maintain its leadership in maritime service while expanding into emerging markets such as carbon capture and underscoring its dedication to innovation, environmental stewardship, and the transition to a low-carbon future. Through these initiatives, MISC strives to further strengthen its position as a global leader in energy-related maritime solutions, contributing to a more sustainable and responsible energy sector. Okay, moving on to logo. The MISC logo represents the company's identity as a leading maritime conglomerate, symbolizing strength, innovation, and sustainability. Its design reflects reliability and leadership in the global maritime sector, while modern, clean lines highlight MISC's commitment to innovation. The logo also emphasizes the company's dedication to sustainability, including reducing carbon emissions and enhancing fuel efficiency. With its recognizable design, the logo strengthens MISC's brand identity and builds trust with stakeholders. Next, Board of Directors. The Board of Directors of MISC Berhad is composed of a diverse group of experienced leaders who bring a wealth of knowledge and expertise to guide the company in achieving its strategic goals. The board is responsible for overseeing the company's operation, ensuring sound corporate governance, and steering MISC towards long-term growth and sustainability. With their collective leadership, the board plays a pivotal role in driving MISC's vision of being a global leader in energy-related maritime solutions. So this is the first that you need to know at MISC.
Okay, so hello guys, my name is Muhammad Afi Farhan. So I'm going to continue with SWOT analysis for now. So SWOT analysis consists of 4 types, which is strength, weaknesses, opportunity, and also threats. So what is strength? Strength may be any number of areas or characteristics where a company excels and has a competitive advantage over its peers. So what are the strengths for MISC Berhad? There are 10 strengths for MISC Berhad. The first one is global leadership in LNG shipping, strong financial backing from Petronas, diverse fleet, expertise in offshore solution, commitment to sustainability, established global presence, long-term contract with a major client, skilled workforce and training programs, advanced fleet management system, and the last one is strong reputation in the industry. So next we're gonna go to the weaknesses. Weaknesses are the area or characteristic where a business is at a competitive disadvantage relative to its peer. So what are the weaknesses for MISC Berhad? The weaknesses for MISC Berhad is heavy reliance on energy sector, high operating costs, exposure to regulatory pressures, geopolitical risks, limited diversification beyond energy, currency fluctuation, aging fleet in a certain segments, high capital requirement for expansion, dependence on a limited number of key clients, and also the last one, vulnerability to the market cycle. So the last component in the SWOT analysis, which is threat. Threat are external forces that represent risk to a business and its ability to operate. There are 10 threats for MISC Berhad. The first one is volatility in the energy market, intense competition, economic uncertainty, climate change regulation, rising fuel costs, geopolitical tension in the key markets, piracy and security risk in the maritime route, cybersecurity threats in the maritime operation. The last one is delay in adopting a new regulation. Okay, so now let's moving on to the next subtopic, which is strategy formulation framework. There are 3 strategy formulation framework, which is the first one IFE matrix, second one EFE matrix, and the last one is CPM matrix. Let's go to the first one. Okay, so for the first one, which is IFE matrix, which is internal factor evaluation matrix, is a strategy tool used to evaluate firm's internal environment and to reveal its strengths as well as weaknesses. There are 10 strengths and 10 weaknesses in the table. So based on the table, the IFE score for MISC Berhad is 3.5. MISC Berhad has a strong internal capability, leveraging its leadership in LNG shipping and financial stability while addressing weaknesses such as reliance on the energy sector and a high cost. So the second matrix will be EFE matrix, or external factor evaluation matrix. It's a strategy tool used to examine company external environment and to identify the available opportunity and also threats. So based on the table, as you can see, the AFE score for MISC Berhad, which is 3.55. The company is well positioned to capitalize on external opportunities like the growth in the renewable energy transport, despite the challenge such as competition, energy market volatility, and also evolving regulation. Okay, coming up to the last matrix, which is CPM matrix, or we call it competitive profile matrix. It's an essential strategic management tool to compare the firm with the major player in the industry. As for MISC Berhad, the 2 competitors, which is Petra Energy Berhad and also Bumi Armada Berhad. So based on the table, CPM total score for MISC Berhad, which is 3.9, outperformed the competitor for Petra Energy Berhad and also Bumi Armada Berhad in critical success factors such as market share, financial strength, and also innovation capability, highlighting its superior position in the industry. Okay, so now we're going to move to the achievements of MISC Berhad. MISC Berhad, as one of the leading maritime and energy-related solution provider, has achieved a numerous milestones that reflect their prominence in the global shipping and offshore industries. A cornerstone of MISC Berhad achievement it is global leadership in LNG shipping. With a fleet of 29 LNG carriers, the company is recognized as one of the largest and the most reliable operator in this sector. Technological innovation is another area where MISC Berhad excel. The company has embraced eco-friendly technologies, including the development of an energy-efficient and LNG-powered vessel, aligning with the international effort to reduce greenhouse gas emission. MISC frequently ranks high in the sustainable indices, reflecting its dedication to reduce its carbon footprint and fostering environmental conscious operation. As you can see on the photo below, MISC wins Sustainability Link Deal of the Year Award for Asia and also recognized as a recipient of Silver Award in Transport and Logistic Energy categories respectively at the Malaysia ESG Award 2022. So moving on to the next subtopic, which is problem. So what is the problem that MISC Berhad encounter? MISC Berhad, despite its strong reputation as a global leader in the maritime and energy-related solution, has encountered several challenges and problems throughout its history. One of the most significant challenges faced by MISC Berhad was its decision to exit the container shipping business in 2012. The liner business characterized by volatility freight rates, high operational costs, and intense competition. MISC struggled to maintain profitability in this segment, particularly during the global economic downturn and fluctuation of oil price. Geopolitical and regulatory challenges also have posed problems for MISC. The maritime industry is heavily influenced by international trade regulation, environmental standards, and also geopolitical tension. For instance, stricter International Maritime Organization (IMO) regulation on emission have required MISC to invest significantly in cleaner technology and more efficient vessels. Currency fluctuation has also impacted MISC financial performance. Operating in a global market exposed the company to the foreign exchange risk, as revenue are often earned in US dollar, while some expenses are incurred in other currencies. So, as a conclusion, MISC Berhad journey reflects a balance of strategic foresight and adaptability. Its ability to navigate complex challenges and capitalize on opportunity has cemented its reputation as a leader in the maritime and energy transportation sector.
The SPACE matrix is a strategic management tool used to analyze a company's competitive position. It considers four dimensions: financial strength, competitive advantage, industry strength, and environmental stability. This matrix helps in determining the appropriate strategic posture for the company. For instance, MISC Berhad's strong financial performance and competitive advantage in the shipping industry placed it in an aggressive strategic posture, suggesting that the company should pursue growth strategies such as market penetration and product development. Below are some evaluations for each dimension of the SPACE matrix for MISC Berhad. First one would be financial strength. MISC Berhad has a strong ROI, healthy liquidity, positive cash flow, and moderate debt levels. Competitive advantage. The company holds a significant market share, is known for high-quality products, enjoys strong customer loyalty, and has advanced technological capabilities. In terms of industry strength, MISC has high growth potential, profitable, has moderate barriers to entry, and efficiently utilized resources. Last but not least is environmental stability. The company is subject to rapid technological changes, has a relatively stable economic environment, moderate demand variability, and significant competitive pressure. DIE, Internal External Matrix, is another strategic management tool that positions an organization into 9 cells based on its internal and external factors. It helps in identifying the strategic direction by analyzing the internal strengths and weaknesses against external opportunities and threats. Based on the outcomes of the EFE and IFE metrics, the IE matrix result falls into the I quadrant. The overall weighted scores for EFE and IFE are 3.55 and 3.5 respectively. These scores indicate that MISC Berhad is performing well both internally and externally. The IE matrix uses these scores to place the company in one of 9 quadrants, each representing a different strategic position. In this case, the scores place MISC Berhad in the I quadrant of the IE matrix. This quadrant is typically associated with a strong internal position and a strong external position. Companies in this quadrant are often in a favorable situation and have the potential to pursue aggressive growth strategies. They can leverage their strengths to capitalize on opportunities in the external environment. In summary, the high scores in both the EFE and IFE matrices suggest that MISC Berhad is well positioned to take advantage of growth opportunities and should consider strategies that involve expansion and market penetration. The BCG matrix evaluates MISC Berhad's product portfolio by classifying its business units into 4 categories, which is stars, cash cows, question marks, and dogs. For example, MISC Berhad LNG shipping business unit with high market growth and high market share is classified as a star. This suggests that the company should invest in this unit to maintain its competitive position. On the other hand, the petroleum shipping business unit with low market growth but high market share is classified as a cash cow, indicating that it should be managed for steady cash flow. Question marks are business units with low market share but high market growth. These units require significant investment to increase their market share. For MISC Berhad, an example of a question mark could be a new business venture in a rapidly growing but highly competitive market. This unit has the potential to become a star if it gains market share, but it also risks becoming a dog if it fails to do so. Lastly, dogs are business units with low market share and low market growth. These units typically generate low returns and may be candidates for divestiture. For MISC Berhad, an example of a dog could be an older business unit in a declining market. This unit may no longer be profitable and could be considered for phasing out or selling off to focus resources on more promising areas.
Alright, my part is I'm gonna to present 3.2 choosing strategy from the metric regarding MISC. Okay, in here we have 3 strategies, which is strengths and opportunity strategies. First one is S1, which is a global partner leadership in LNG shipping, and plus opportunity 1, expansion into renewable energy transport, which is bring to MISC should leverage its global leadership in LNG shipping to capitalize on the growing demand for renewable energy transport, and expanding into renewable energy shipping will align with global trend toward cleaner energy sources. And then on the second part is S5 with commitment to sustainability, and O3 opportunity 3 rising ESG demand, which is we bring the MISC strong commitment to sustainability position to its the benefit from rising ESG demand by investing in the clean green infrastructure and clean technology. The company can maintain its leadership and attract sustainability conscious investor. Second strategy is weakness plus opportunity. We have 2 strategy here. W1 is heavy reliant on energy sector, plus opportunity 7 shift toward cleaner energy sources, which bring in MISC can reduce its heavy reliance on the conventional energy sector by diversifying into cleaner energy sources such as LNG and renewable energy transport, aligning with the global shift toward decarbonization. Alright, and then W8, a high capital requirement for expansion, and O9, strategic alliance with global partner. We brings MISC forming a strategic alliance with global partner can help MISC overcome the financial burden of high capital requirement. Collaboration will enable joint venture, reducing costs while expanding operation into an energy sector. The third one is strength trade strategies. On strategy 1 is S2, strong financial backing from Petronas, plus T1, volatility in energy market. We bring MISC strong financial support from Petronas can help mitigate the risk of energy market volatility. The financial strength can be used to invest in the project that can offer stable long term. And second part is strategy is S6, establish global presence, plus T5, Trade 5, climate change regulation. This bring MIC establish global presence, allow it to adapt to and meet climate change regulation across different regions. This global footprint can help the company stay ahead of regulatory challenges and ensure compliance. And the fourth strategy is weakness plus threat strategies. Which part 1 is W2, high operating cost, plus T6, rising fuel costs. This bring MIC should invest in fuel efficient technology and digitalization to reduce operating costs, which will help mitigate the impact of rising fuel price. Operational efficiency can be a key strategy to address the cost pressure. W5, limited diversification beyond energy, plus T2, intense competition, which bring to combat intense competition in the energy sector. MIC should diversify beyond energy shipping into emerging industry like renewable. From this all fourth strategy, we choose the best strategy for MIC, which is S1, global leadership in energy shipping, plus O1, expansion into renewable energy transport. This can bring MIC can lead the transition into renewable energy transport by leveraging its expertise in energy shipping. This strategy will ensure long-term growth and align with global trend toward cleaner energy. And second best strategy we choose is W1, heavy reliant on energy sector, plus O7, shift toward cleaner energy sources. By diversifying into cleaner energy sector, MIC will reduce its dependency on conventional energy, ensuring long-term sustainability and mitigating risks associated with the market fluctuation. And the third best strategy we choose is S2, a strong financial backing from Petronas, plus T1, volatility in energy market, which bring MIC can utilize its strong financial support to weather energy market volatility, focusing on stable and long-term investment to reduce exposure to market uncertainties. And our conclusion from this strategy is MIC's strategic strength in energy shipping, supported by strong financial backing, enable it to lead the transition into cleaner energy support. And by diversifying into renewable energy and reducing reliance on conventional energy sector, MIC will ensure long-term sustainability and mitigating market volatility through stable long-term investment will protect MIC from external shock and market fluctuation.
Let's begin with MISC Berhad's first strategy centers on promoting sustainability and advancing green technology. The company plans to retrofit its fleet with eco-friendly system and expand its LNG power vessels, which emit significantly less greenhouse gas compared to conventional ships. This aligns with global regulatory frameworks such as the International Maritime Organization's IMO standards. The objective is to achieve a 25% reduction in greenhouse gas (GHG) emissions by 2025. MISC is also actively entering renewable energy markets, including carbon capture and storage (CCS), by forming international alliance to share expertise and resources. The target is to generate a 15% increase in revenue from these emerging markets within 5 years. Additionally, MISC emphasizes working development as part of this strategy, focusing on leadership training and fostering a culture of innovations and collaborations. The company aims to improve overall employee productivity by 20% within 3 years. This strategy demonstrates MISC's commitment to embedding sustainability across its operations while seizing new opportunities in the renewable energy sectors. MISC Berhad's second strategy highlights the use of digital transformation to achieve operational excellence and cost efficiency. A key focus is the implementation of AI-powered fleet management system designed to optimize logistics, reduce operational complexity, and improve overall efficiency. By integrating advanced analytic and digital tools, MISC can streamline process and enhance decision-making capabilities. The expected outcome is 10% annual reduction in operational costs. To ensure the success of this strategy, MISC leveraged strategic tools such as the space matrix and the IE matrix. The space matrix places MISC in the aggressive quadrant. Suggestions growth strategies like market penetrations and product innovation, while the IE matrix places the company in the grow and build quadrants. Emphasizing diversifications and market expansion, this framework helps guide MISC focus on innovation and sustainability, ensuring alignment with its broader visions. This strategy enables MISC to remain competitive in rapidly evolving industry by embracing technological advancement and improving operational performance. The third strategy revolves around diversification and risk management to secure MISC Berhad's long-term growth and stability. To reduce dependence on conventional energy markets, MISC is diversifying into renewable energy sectors, including offshore wind energy and ammonia fuel vessels. This diversification aligns with global trends towards decarbonization and ensure the company remain relevant as traditional energy source decline. To mitigate market risk, MISC focus on securing long-term investment, such as long-term charters for its LNG carriers, which provide stable and recurring cash flows. The company also prioritize regulatory compliance, staying ahead of International Maritime Organization's IMO climate guidelines to avoid penalties and maintain operational efficiency. To address rising costs and intense competitions, MISC invests in fuel efficient technologies and innovative solutions. By leveraging financial support from Petronas and forming strategic alliance, MISC manage high capital requirement while entering emerging markets such as carbon capture and storage (CCS). This measure position MISC as resilient and forward-thinking leader in the maritime and energy sectors. In conclusion, MISC Berhad Strategy Implementation Plan integrates sustainability, digital transformations, and diversification to address market challenge and seize growth opportunities. These first strategies focus on retrofitting vessels, expanding the LNG fleet, and entering renewable energy market to align with global decarbonization trends. The second strategy emphasizes the use of AI-powered fleet management and digital tools to optimize operation and achieve a 10% annual cost reduction. The third strategy highlights diversifications into renewable sectors such as offshore wind and ammonia fuel vessels, while implementing robust risk management practice to protect against market volatility. By aligning with tools like the space matrix and IE matrix, MISC ensures the strategies are data-driven and aligned with its aggressive growth posture. These strategies not only reinforce MISC leadership in energy-related maritime solutions, but also positions the company for a sustainable and innovative future, paving the way for long-term success in a competitive and dynamic industry.
In conclusion, MISC Berhad has established itself as a global leader in maritime and energy solutions, particularly in LNG shipping. Its strengths in financial stability, advanced fleet technology, and commitment to sustainability have secured a strong market position. However, challenges such as reliance on the energy sector, high operation costs, and regulatory pressures remain. To capitalize on its strengths, MISC should focus on green technology, digital transformation, and workforce development. By investing in eco-friendly solutions, expanding into renewable energy, and enhancing fleet management with AI, MISC can sustain its leadership and continue thriving in a dynamic industry. Lastly, expectation of our new strategies. So our strategies aim to enhance MISC Berhad's market position and efficiency. By expanding the LNG-powered fleet and retrofitting vessels, we aim to reduce greenhouse gas emissions by 25% by 2025. Entering renewable energy and CCS markets will generate 15% of revenue within 5 years. Digital transformation through AI-driven fleet management is expected to cut operational costs by 10% annually, while leadership and technical training will increase productivity by 20%. Forming international alliances and investing in LNG technology will strengthen our position and leadership, ensuring growth and competitiveness in the maritime and energy sectors. That's all from me and my team. Thank you.